This Coldwell Banker Pacific Properties Waikele property video is presented by Colette Nishimura. Never been lived in, rarely available studio in desirable A building at 801 South. Appliances are in new condition, as they have never been used. Where else can you find a unit in this great town location that has a maintenance fee of only slightly over $200 per month, and that includes sewer, water and internet too? This newer, well-maintained building features 24-hour security, sprinklers, secured parking stall, guest parking, and is pet-friendly. 46th-floor unit has spectacular ocean views, split air conditioner, stacked washer/dryer and a small balcony. Be close to the up-and-coming Kakaako, and walk to work downtown. This gem will not last. For more information